Hello, and welcome to this brief training lesson on how to listen to music. Please make sure that you're listening to this instructional video in full prior to attempting this on your own. Listening to music involves engaging with audio created through instruments, vocals, or digital synthesis. Whether you're a fan of classical symphonies, jazz ensembles, or retro pop hits, the goal is to immerse yourself in the sounds and enjoy the experience. For this example, we will be using this form of physical media. Cassette tapes such as this provide a tactical, intentional way to experience music. Let's explore the steps to get started. For this example, I will first need to ensure that I have a functioning cassette tape, such as the one here, as well as a bespoke player, in this case, this. We need to ensure that both pieces of equipment are functioning first. The first step for this physical media is to open up the bespoke player and insert the media into the player. This is optional, however, this particular player does require the insertion of headphones for its functionality, so do that at this step if yours does as well. If you're unsure, just examine the device for any speakers or an input jack that looks such as this. Next, once you've inserted the tape and closed the door gently, there should be a play button located on your device. It will either look like an arrow pointing towards the right, or it may just say play. Alright, at this point, your music should begin playing.
Gobble me, all of me, Poseidon and the pussy got me feeling like the hottest.
The next step to this is to engage actively with the music. Focus on the music. See if you can derive meaning from the lyrics. See if you can tell what the song is about. Congratulations, now you're listening to music. Here are some common pitfalls that you may encounter while trying to listen to music. You may encounter technical issues, either if the device in question is not functional or the tape is not functional. If you're using digital music, there could be serious outages or other discrepancies which might cause issues. The volume of your music or surrounding area could also be a pitfall. If the music is too loud, it may cause discomfort when attempting to listen. If the surrounding area is too loud, it may cause issues with actually attentively listening. Multitasking as well, while listening to music, can be enjoyable. Splitting your attention may reduce the quality of your listening experience. And that's it. Listening to music is simple and rewarding, especially when you take the time to enjoy it fully. Whether you're using a cassette tape or other format, remember to be intentional, adjust your settings carefully, and avoid common pitfalls. Thank you for watching this instructional video. Please return to the training module now to complete your training.